So here let us solve the 13th question now. So here 13th question. So I told you how do we, the question is the simple interest on 3200 at the end of 2 years. How many years? That is 2 years is 400. Simple interest is how much? 400. So simple interest I becomes 400. On means that is the principal 3200. Okay na, principal is how much? 3200. Find the percentage per annum for 2 years. Time is how much? 2 years. Percentage means rate of interest we have to find, R. So I told you yesterday only, we did for P. Principal we did. Principal how did we find? Simple interest into 100 divided by RT. If you want to find R, we have to divide with simple interest into 100 divided by how much? PT. So PT we have to divide it here. So here we just have to write everything down and then we have to solve it. Yes. So I will solve it and explain. Listen here. So here simple interest is how much? Yes, they have given it as 400 interest, right? So 400 into 100 divided by PT. PT means how much here? Principal is 3200 into time is how much? 2 years. Okay na? So let us solve now. So here 2 zeros, here 2 zeros cancel. Okay na? Next divide with 2 table. 2 how many is? 2 4 4 8s are 32. Now divide with 4 table again here. Yes, 4 how many is? 4 2s are 8. Here you divide with 4 500. 4 how many is 100? 425s are. So what is remaining now? Here, yes. So here on the top 25 divided by here 2 and 2. So 2 into 2. So it will become how much? 25 by 4. 25 by 4 means what will be the answer? Yes. 7 6 are. Yes. 7 6 are 24. 1 will be remaining 4. So 6 and 1 by 4 is the answer. 6 and 1 by 4%. Which option? Option is B1. Okay na? 6 and 1 by 4. If you write it in a mixed fraction. Got it? Everyone, rate of interest. This is how you have to find. Okay? So here, listen everyone. So let us solve the 14th question. Okay na? So if you see 14th question, what is there? That is at what rate of percentage per annum simple interest. So what happened to this? Went away. I will tell. Listen here. Okay. So I will explain. So see here 14th question, right? So if you see the 14th question, it is at what rate percentage, means we have to find what? We have to find rate of rate. So that is R we have to find. Okay now. So we have to find R here. So interest will be 4800. Interest is how much? Here rate we have to find. Interest is how much? 4800. And sorry, here interest will yield an interest of 800. Interest is 800 and principal is how much? On principal of 4800. Okay, principal this is. So what is their question? At what rate per annum? right? Huh. So here at what rate per annum will interest, right? Yes. So here 4800 an interest of 800. So 800 is the interest in 5 years. So time is how much here? Time is how much? 5 years. Time is how much? Here 5 years. Okay na? So time is 5 years. So here how do we find the rate of interest? R is equal to simple interest into 100 divided by how much? PT we have to do. So simple interest is how much here? 800 into 100 divided by principal is how much? 4800 into time is 5 years. So what we have to do now? Cancellation, right? So how do we do the cancellation now? So that is here two zeros, here two zeros cancel. After that we have to do, that is 8, how many is 8 6 are 48. Okay, so next you divide it, that is 5 table. 5 how many is 100? 5 20s are 5 20s are how much? 100. Okay na? So after that we can again divide, right? So that is which table we can divide? 6 and 20, 2 table. 2 3s are 36. 2 how many is 2 10s are 20. So what will come here? Here 10 is remaining on the top and divided by 3. 10 divided by 3 means 3 and 1 by 3 in the mixed fraction. So 3 and 1 by 3% per annum is the answer. So option is option C here. Got it everyone? Yes, how many of you got correct?
Sir, I got.
Okay, good. 15th question is also same. Do it as homework. Okay. So see here, till 17th question it is all same. What we have to find? We have to find the rate of interest, everything. Okay. So now we will do 18th question. What is the 18th question here? So if you see 18th question, we have to find what time. So we have to find time. Will 6000 at 5% simple interest give an interest of 900? In what time will 6000? Will 6000 means that is the principal is how much? 6000 here. Rate of interest is how much? 5% per annum. Okay now? And interest is how much? Interest is how much? That is 900 rupees. We have to find the time. In what time? Time. So time, how will you find? Simple interest into 100 divided by how much? That is PR we have to divide, right? PRT is there, right? PTR. So if you want to find T, we have to divide with what? P and R we have to divide. Okay. So here let us do it. So it will be very easy question. So here simple interest is 900 into 100 divided by how much? That is PR. Principal is how much? 6000 into how much? Rate of interest is 5. So cancellation now, right? So if you cancellation, you will get the answer. So here how much? Here 2 zeros, here 2 zeros cancel, and here 1 0, here 1 0 cancel. Okay na? After that you do with 5 table. So 5 how many is? 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are how much? 10 here. Next here 9 and 3, or you divide with 3 table, right? So 9 and 3 will come in 3 tables. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, right? And then these two will cancel, isn't it? These two and those two will cancel. These two and these two will cancel. So what will remain? 3. Here 3 is remaining, right? So 3 year time is 3 means 3 years is the time. So that is option C here. Understood? So this is how you have to do. Got it? Will you be able to do like this? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Very
Very good. Very good. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So now let us do 19th question. It is same way. So what we have to do, tell me? In the same way, the simple interest on 6800 means that is the principal, right? 6800 rate of interest 12%. How much? 12%. So is rate of interest is how much? Interest is how much? 1428. Okay now. So 1428 is the interest. So find the time period they are asking. So how do we find the time period here?
Principal
Yes.
into 100
Time
by
period is simple interest into 100 divided by how much? That is, we have to take it as, we have to find the time period, right? So PR, isn't it? We have to divide with how much? Here PR. So let us take it. Simple interest is 1428 into 100 divided by how much? P is principal is how much? Yes, 6800 into rate of interest is 12. So now just cancellation, right? So if you do the cancellation, you will get the answer. So how do we do the cancellation here? Yes. Okay. So here, huh? So how do we do the cancellation?
just do the normal calculation.
Yes. Okay. So here,
Sir, I did up to 21st question. I was going to finish, sir. Till 30.
okay. So listen here. So here, simple interest is how much? 1428. Okay. Into 100 divided by principal is how much? 6800, right? Yes. 6800 into rate of interest is how much? That is 12. Okay na? So now cancellation. So how do we do the cancellation here?
Normal calculation.
Yes. Like here two zeros, cancel, isn't it? Yes. After
Yes,
that,
sir.
we have to do how much? 12 table. Do the 12 table. 12 how many is? Yes. 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12 here. 2 will be remaining. Then what will come answer? 12 ones are 12. 10 will be remaining 108. 12 nines are 108. Right? Yes. So 12 nines are 108. So that is 119 will come. So 119 means here 68 is there, right? So here 119 by 68. Should I do here only or once again should I do right and do? Yes?
There only you listen.
So here 64, 68. So 17 how many is? 17 you divide it. Yes, 17 fours are how much? 68. Here also 119 is there, right? So 17 how many is 119? 17 sevens are, right? So here what will be remaining here? Yes, 7 by 4. 7 by 4 means how much it will be? Yes.
3 by 4.
Yes, 7 by 4 means 1 and 3 by 4 is the answer. Got it? Yes.
Sir, I will explain 20 questions.
Okay, wait. So this is the answer, 1 and 3 by 4 years. Okay, option is option A. So see here, 21 question is very easy, same as that. Okay, so let us do now. That is, here we know what we have to do. Yes, that is, a sum of 5,500 fetches a simple interest of 500 at 12.5% per annum. Find the time period. It is directly, if you do 100 divided by 12.5, you will get 8 answer. 8 is the answer, because 500 is what? Principal, and 500 is also interest. Means what? It is 100%. So 100% and 12.5% is the rate of interest, right? So here, if you divide to become 12.5, 12.5 to become 100%, right? So how many years it will take? 8 years. 12.5 if you divide, you will get 8 years. Okay, so I will do it in, this is the shortcut. Okay now, so let us do it here. So I will do in the explanation method. Okay, so see here, a sum of 500, sum of 500 means principal is 500, interest of 500, interest is also 500 only, at 12.5%. so that is the rate of interest is how much? 12.5%. so I did here 100 divided by 12.5 rate. Why? How did we get? Let us see here this. Okay, so time we have to find. Here simple, we know rate, time how do we find? Simple interest into 100 divided by how much? Yes, P into R. Simple interest is 500 into 100 divided by principal is how much? 500 into how much? Yes, 12.5. Okay. So if you see here, what we have to do here? Yes. Okay. What happened to this? So see here, once again I will write. Time is simple interest into 100 divided by, yes, PR. Okay. Simple interest is 500 into 100 divided by principal is also 500 into 12.5, right? So here 500 into 12.5. So here I got 100 divided by 12.5, right? Directly I told you. So if you do the same thing here also, you will get the answer. Yes. So see here, 500 cancels, so 100 divided by 12.5 is remaining. Yes, so here we have to multiply. Here 1 point means, here 1 point if you shift, how much you have to multiply above? Yes, you have to multiply with 10. Okay na? So now it will become 125 by how much?
1000.
On the top, 100 into 10. 100 into 10 is how much? 1000. Right? Yes. So that becomes how much? Here 1000 here. 100 into 10 is 1000. So here 1000 will come. What will come? 1000 will come. So here, so it will be 1000. Okay. So 1000 divided by 125. So what we have to do? Just divide it. You will get the answer. Right? 125 8s is how much? 1000. Or if you want to do, divide with 25. 25 4s are, right? 25 4s is how much? Sorry, 25 5s are 125. Okay now. So then you do it, you will get the answer as 8. Simplification. Divide with 25 first. So 25 5s are how much? 125. Here 25 4s are and 0. Right? 40 will come answer. Yes. So then what will come? 5, if you divide with 5, 5 8s are how much? 14, so you will get the answer 8. Okay, understand? Okay, good. So this is how you have to do. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So let us go to the next, that is 23 question. Okay, na? So sorry. So 23 question is very easy. So see here, what is the question here? So we have to find the total amount. What you have to find? What is the amount payable on 1800 at 5% per annum simple interest for 4 years? So we know amount means we have to pay total what? Principal and interest both. Isn't it? Principal plus interest. Then here shortcut, how do we find? PTR, right? PTR. So here T is 4, R is how much? 5. So 4 5s are 20. So principal is 1800. So here 1800's 20% will be how much? So 1% will be 18. Then 18 2s are 36. 20%, right? So 18 2s are 36. So 36 10s are 360. So 360 will be the interest here. So 360 and principal is how much? 1800. 360 plus 1800 will be 2160. That is the answer. So this is how you have to do with the shortcut. So let us do with the explanation method. Okay now. So principal is how much here? If you see, principal is, that is 1800. Okay now. Yes. So 1800, rate of interest is how much? Yes, that is 5%. Okay, so rate of interest is how much? 5%. Okay, and time is how much? That is 4 years. Okay, yes. So 4 years means, so you just have to substitute in the formula and you will get the answer, isn't it? Yes. So rate of interest is 5%. Okay, yes. This is getting stuck. Wait a minute. Okay, so let us do next. Okay, that is which question here? 23rd question. So amount payable on 1800 at 5%. So for 4 years. So time is how much? 4 years here. Okay, so we have to find first interest and then after that amount. Interest plus principal plus interest, total you have to pay. Principal, what amount you have taken, that also. So how do you find the interest now? PTR by 100. So principal is how much here? 1800 into time is how much? 4 years into, yes, R is 5% divided by 100. Cancel the 2 zeros. 18 4s are into 5. 5 4s are 20. 20 18s are how much? 360. Interest. So amount will be principal plus interest. Principal is how much? That is, yes, 1800 plus interest is 360. So total will be 2160. Answer, that is option is option B. Got it everyone? Here let us do 27 question now. That is 27 question. Okay, so see here. So what is the question? Saroj deposits 35,000. Principal is how much? 35,000. For how many years? 4 years. Okay, at rate of how much? 7.5%. So what amount will she receive after the completion of time duration? Amount total means principal plus interest, right? So here interest will be how much? I am doing directly. Principal is 35,000 into PTR. T is 4, R is how much? 7.5 divided by how much here? That is 100. So cancellation now. So what? Here 2 zeros, here 2 zeros, cancel, right? So then what will come? Here multiplication. 7, here 7.5 double will be Here 4 times is there, right? So take double. 7.5 double is 15. 15 double is how much? 4 means 4 twos are into 2s are, right? So you take first double. 7.5 twos are double of 7.5, 15. 15 double. Sorry, 15 double is how much? 30. So you will get 30 answer. So that is here 350 into 30. How much answer you will get? Yes? 35 3s is 105. So 0 as it is, 2 zeros are there. 2 zeros you write. So that is the interest. Okay? 10,500 is the interest. So amount will be principal plus interest. So that is 35,000 plus 10,500. It will be how much? 45,500. 45,500 is which option? Option C. Yes, very good. So will everyone be able to do? Okay, good. Yes, very good. Okay. Here till 32 questions you have homework. So 32 is little different. I will do. Okay na. So in the shortcut method, how should you do in the shortcut method is money amounts to, amount is given. What is given? Amount is given. Amount means principal plus interest is given here. Okay na. So they are asking to find the principal. We have to find the principal here. How do we do the shortcut method? Go with the options. What we should do? Go with the options here. So here we know rate of interest is how much? Yes, rate of interest is 3% and time is 10%, 10 years. So total PTR by 100 we have to do interest. So 3 into 10 will be 30, right? So 30% if you find, to that if you add 30% you should get 650. So to which number if you add 30% you will get 650? Yes. So 500, right? So if I do answer here also with the shortcut method, see here rate of interest is 3% and time is 10%. So rate into time, PTR we have to do, P into T into R. So PRT if you do 3 into 10 will be 30%. So for which number 30%? With that if you add you will get the answer. So here 400, 30% will be how much? 30% means divide with, multiply with how much? Yes, 3, right? That is 1 by 3 by 10 we have to multiply. 3 4s are 12 and 1 0 cancel because 30 is there. 30 by 100, right? So here 1 0, here 1 0 cancel, here 1 0, here 1 0 cancel. That is why 40 it will become 120. 400 plus 120 will be how much? It will not be 650, right? So it will not be 650, no answer. So this will also not come. 500, 500 30% will be how much? Yes, it will be 150. 150 plus 500 will be how much? Yes, 650 na. So that is the answer. This is how you have to do in the exam. Okay? Yes?
Okay, sir.
So here 650. So that is the answer. Okay? So this is how you have to do with the shortcut method. So how to do in the explanation? Yes? So let us do in the explanation. So here rate of interest is given, time is given, principal we have to find and interest we have to find. So we know amount is how much? Amount, how do we find amount? Yes, principal plus interest. Okay na? So amount is given, amount is how much? 650 here. Principal is how much? Principal. Rate of interest, how do we find? PTR by 100, right? Yes. So P if you take common, it will become here 1 plus PR divided by 100. Okay? Yes. So P we have taken here. P into 1, P will come. So this is how you have to do. So here 650 into principal into how much? 1 plus T is how much? 3 into 10 divided by 100. Same thing we did here, right? So that is what we have to do, right? So shortcut method also. So same, 3 into 100 divided by 10 means 1010. 3 by 10 plus 1 means here it will be 13 by 10. Okay? So principal is equal to 13. Here 13 by 10 is 650. So if you take this 10 to the and divide this 13, you will get the answer. Okay, so here 10 you take up, 13 you will come down. So principal is equals to 650 into 10 divided by how much? 13. 13 5 is how much? Yes, 13 5 is 65. 0 as it is 0. Here 1 0. 50 tens are 500 is the answer. Right? That is how you have to do. Okay now? Understood?